pegboard is great for storing and displaying tools in a workshop. Joe has a way to enhance that.
The one disadvantage to pegboard is not everything in a workshop can be stored on a hook. So what I've decided to do is make a simple shelf out of a 1x4. What I did is I drilled a couple of holes in the back edge of the piece to accept some straight hooks from the pegboard system itself. I just insert the hooks in the back of the board and put it right onto the pegboard. You see, you just line it up. Earlier, I had lined these holes up so I knew exactly where to drill them. Then you just slip the hooks in, and it's angled back, so you need to press down on the shelf just to straighten out the hooks. Now you've got a convenient shelf for storing glue and tape measures and things that you can't just hang on a hook.
Well, that's great to use that too for things that you're going to use all the time that you can't
Right,
just
because it
grab.
keeps it readily available. That's why I drill holes in the front edge for screwdrivers and nut drivers on the top surface. And this way, when you're ready to need a screwdriver, just pull it right out.
Well, this is an inexpensive solution to this problem, and I guess you could build that as long as you want on your workshop wall.
Absolutely. This one's about 30 inches and has 2 hooks. Anything over 36 inches or so, you'd probably want to add a 3rd hook right in the middle.